Well, so now I've decided to record, like, when I'm in the mood to record, I'll record some 2 3 videos at the same time, and uh, then I'll upload it just two at a time, like, instead of missing days. But yeah, sometimes you also, sometimes kya yaar, it's like, sometimes you just need a break from a person. So you all must be seeing my face every day, so I thought I'll give you all that break. So anyway, like I was saying, I yesterday I did this thing known as the Isha Kriya meditation. It's a 12-minute meditation that is so, it is, it'll transport you. Yeah, I mean, uh, I'm waiting to do the Shambhavi Mudra, Shambhavi meditation and all, but this itself is so, like, just get onto Google, get onto YouTube and type Isha Kriya meditation, and you'll find it. Because in the meditation they teach you that you are not the body, you're not the mind. So then who are you? I'm not sure, but it's very, they say you'll become very powerful once you realize that all of this is just so transient. So really, people, it's called Isha Kriya meditation, and you all can find it on YouTube, and it is life changing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.